Do you feel like your computer is running slower than usual? Don't worry, we have the solution to speed up your computer in just 5 easy steps. Step 1. Remove any unnecessary programs and files from your computer. This can free up space and improve performance. Step 2. Disable any unnecessary startup programs. These can slow down your computer's startup time. Step 3. Clean out any dust or debris from your computer's fan and vents. Overheating can cause decreased performance. Step 4. Run a virus scan to ensure your computer is free of any malware or viruses. Step 5. Finally, defragment your hard drive to ensure your files are organized and easily accessible by your computer. Following these 5 easy steps will have your computer running like new in no time. Give it a try and let us know in the comments how it worked for you.